1. Fill a 1 gallon, 4 liters, bucket with warm water. 2. Fill a second bucket with warm water and set it aside for rinsing. 3. Add 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters, of mild detergent to one of the buckets. 4. Swish the detergent around with your hand or a long-handled spoon until the water is sudsy. 5. Dip a sponge into the bucket, wring it out slightly, and apply it to the glass. 6. Use a glass scraper to remove the decal. Test the scraper first in an inconspicuous area of the glass to be sure it won't leave a scratch. 7. If the sticker hasn't completely come off, rub on a natural degreaser such as baby oil, cooking oil or mineral oil to remove any sticky residue left behind from the adhesive. Just dab a small amount of oil on a paper towel and rub it over the residue. 8. Dip a clean sponge into the rinsing bucket and wring out the excess water. 9. Wipe the glass clean. 10. Dry the glass with a lint-free cloth or with crumpled newspaper.